I make these healthy cookies for breakfast all the time, and they're perfect for lunch boxes too. No flour, no sugar, no gluten, just 2 ingredients you probably already have. To make these healthy breakfast cookies, you need 2 ripe bananas. Slice the bananas into pieces and then put them in a blender or food processor. Blend until the bananas are completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining, as you can see here. Scoop the blended bananas into a mixing bowl, making sure to get all of it. Then add 2 cups of sesame seeds to the bananas. Stir everything well until the sesame seeds are fully mixed in and you have a thick, sticky dough. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place a round cookie cutter on it, fill it with dough, and press it flat with the back of a spoon. Lift the cutter and repeat with the remaining dough. Bake the sesame cookies in a preheated oven at 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until they are golden brown and firm on the outside. If you like this healthy cookies recipe, be sure to check out my sweet potato and oat cookies recipe here also. They are just as simple, healthy, and so delicious. Check it out now.